Hello students and welcome again to music class. Today we'll be learning about the staff, and the staff is extremely important because the staff is where we write the musical notes. So again, you're going to start by writing your name on the top left corner of your board, like this. And we are going to split the board in two parts. And the reason is this: I want to teach you today, as I said, about the staff and how to count the lines on the staff and how to place the notes on the staff. Actually, we'll be talking about line notes and how to name them. So to start with, we're going to create a very small staff or a short staff. We're going to create only 2 lines this time. And the reason is that the staff could get confusing when we have the whole 5 lines. So write the 2 lines and we number them. One thing you need to know about numbering the lines on the staff or the spaces is that you name them or you number them from the bottom to the top. So I will say this is line 1 and line 2. Okay? And now let's do line 3. We can start from these 3 lines. Now once you have this, I'll be placing whole notes on the lines. And they will look like this. So this is a whole note on the first line, on the second line, and on the third line. But not only whole notes, any kind of note could be placed on any line actually. So if we want to play something different, we can do a quarter note, we can do a quarter note, we can do a quarter note. Look. So now we have quarter notes on each one of the lines. Now how to name them? This is a very, very famous phrase that says, this is just a way for you to remember, that every good boy does fine. So in these 3 lines, we have every good boy. So the way we name these notes is by remembering that phrase, and we say E, G, and B. And those are going to be the name of those 3 notes, E, G, and B. Now if we go on the other side, we can do again same 3 lines. Now we know how they are named. E, G, B. And this is line 1, line 2, line 3. What is left is line 4 or lines 4 and 5. This is line 4, this is line 5. So we number this 2 right here. And then if we remember the phrase again, is every good boy does fine. Can you repeat that for me? Every good boy does fine. Every good boy does fine. So next 2 lines would be, this will be D, every good boy does, and this will be F right here. And that's how you complete the line notes on the staff. Actually, you can start by writing 1 note right here, second line, third line, fourth line, and fifth line. And right here we have named the line notes on the staff, which is very important. In the next video, I will show you how to name the notes on the spaces. Okay, now we can erase this. I'm going to erase all the information we have there. I'm going to try to create a whole staff this time. So we go and create 1 extra long line, second line, the third line, the fourth line, the fifth line. Okay? And if you want to, we can name the notes, not name the notes, number the lines. On the left right here, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. We're going to split this staff into 2 sections. I'm going to be writing notes on the staff. Complete this line right here. Just need to finish the line all the way to the end. I'm going to be writing notes right here, and I will give you 10 seconds to guess the name of the line. Remember that the name of the note. Remember that the phrase is every good boy does fine. Actually, I will help you by writing them right here. Every good boy does fine. So if I write a half note right here, give you 10 seconds to name that note underneath. So the name is G. by, you have right here, every good. Okay, right now a note right here on the fourth line. Every good boy does. So name is D. Now I'm going to write a note on the last line. Every good boy does. Fine. And finally, I'm going to write a note right here on that third line. So the name is B. So this is how we name notes on the staff. And if I go and play them, notice how this is going to be the lowest, the next one's going to be higher, higher, then we go back to the B there. So it sounds like this. Play one more time. Okay, so this is how you, again, how you name notes on the staff. So remember that you count from the bottom to the top, and you use the phrase, every good boy does fine. So now it's time to erase the boards. Erase your name too. And remember to put the board by the line with the marker and the eraser on top. So the next station, when they come to this station, they are ready to start right away. Okay, thank you for watching, and now let's wait until I ring the bell and we start rotating to the next station.